Hey, Bea. Is this your first time in a shopping cart? Yeah? What do you think of it? Hmm? Are you holding on? Are you holding on tight? Where are we? Are we at Bed Bath & Beyond? Yeah, Grandma. What is Mama here to get? Is she here to get a tea kettle and garbage bag and a lock for Papa? Yeah. Do you like that, Bea? Or is there just too much for you to look at? Hmm? Hmm? Oh, did you make a little friend? Hmm. So much to look at, Bea. Oh, we're turning. We're turning. Ooh.